Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Mandi Dabwali, but I also go by Manu, so you may call me Manu.
Okay, Manu, where are you from?
I'm from a small farming community called Aspalkala, which is in the north part of the India and which is also known as the heart of Punjab.
How long have you been living there?
Actually, I'm living there from 15 years because before that I was living in Haryana. So yeah, from 15 years I'm living there.
एक तो ये जो है इसको बोलते हैं thinking sound. You don't have to do this, right? Okay. So that शुरू करो. When you have this question, how long have you been living there? The question is, question जो है इसका आंसर जो आपको देना है वो देना है present perfect continuous में. I have been living there. आपने बोला I'm living there for 15 years.
I have been living there.
I have been living there, right?
Okay.
I have been living there for 15 years, or I have been living there for many years. You can say this is how. Okay. Let's talk about social media. So, Manu, do you and your friends like using social media?
I would be lying if I'd say yes because I don't like using social media. But my friends are using social media. They're on social media and they're saying me also to use. But I generally don't like because it just wastes my time.
I don't like, that's a basic language.
Okay.
So whenever you want to say something that you don't like, so what you can say instead, you could say, I can't stand this. I can't stand social media, to be perfectly honest. To be honest, I can't stand this. Truth be told, that means such to bolna hoga. When you say, truth be
told, I can't stand.
I can't stand. I can't stand, or you can say, I can't bear.
Bear.
B-E-A-R. Bear.
Bear.
I can't bear. Or you can also say, I detest. What's that?
I detest.
I detest social media. Whereas,
I detest social media.
Whereas my friends, when you want to say that they like, so you can say they are into.
They are into social media.
They are into. Okay. Whereas my friends are into social media and they're using it all the time. They're using it
all the time.
All the time. Okay. But you can also say like I'm quite opposite to them.
Okay, sir.
Right? I'm quite opposite to them. That means like they do it, but I don't like to do it. But we don't have to use this basic language. I don't like or I like. So when you want to say you don't like something, so you can say
I can't stand.
I can't stand or I can't
bear.
Bear. Good one. Do you think you and your friends use too much social media?
As I mentioned earlier.
जब भी बोल रहा हूँ, like I just said before. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, ये formal language है. ठीक है? वैसे तो आप यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर स्पोकन इंग्लिश का ये टेस्ट है, तो आपको वही यूज करना है जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जो डेली रूटीन में स्पोकन इंग्लिश में यूज होता है. लाइक आई जस्ट सेड बिफोर. सर जैसे मैंने अभी तो बताया, लाइक आई जस्ट सेड बिफोर. आप यहाँ पर ये भी बोल सकते हैं आई हैव जीरो इंटरेस्ट. मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है सर सोशल मीडिया में. आई हैव
जीरो इंटरेस्ट.
आई हैव जीरो इंटरेस्ट इन सोशल मीडिया.
ओके सर. Like I just said before, I can't bear social.
I have zero interest. अभी बार-बार वो लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे तो रेपिटेशन हो जाएगी.
Yes, sir. Okay. I have zero interest in social media, but my friends are using it, and they're using it on daily basis, and they're spending their most of time on social media. I don't use it.
जब आपने ये बोल दिया तो एक यहाँ पर मैं फ्रेज आपको ऐड करवाना चाहूँगा जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. आप यहाँ पर बोल सकते हैं लेकिन मैं बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करती हूँ. लेकिन सर गलत मत समझिए, ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल कभी देखा ही नहीं सोशल मीडिया होता क्या है, तो आप यूज करोगे. बट डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग. क्या यूज करोगे?
But don't get me wrong.
Don't get me wrong. Sometimes I check my WhatsApp. I check my Instagram. Sometimes I check my Instagram.
Okay.
I do have Instagram account. Don't get me wrong. I do have Instagram account. मेरा Instagram पर प्रोफाइल है, मेरा अकाउंट है. So I hardly ever check it. You can say like I check my Instagram account every so often. What's that?
Every so often.
Every so often. मतलब गलत मत समझिए, इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट है ऐसा नहीं है सर. आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं, आप एग्जाम में बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है. But I check my Instagram account every so often का मतलब है कभी कभी, मतलब कभी कभार, मतलब मैं देख लेता हूँ उसको. चलो. Do you want to work in social media and why?
To be honest, I want to work on social media.
अभी ये आंसर इसका गलत है. क्यों आंसर गलत है इसका? आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? अभी आपसे पूछा कि डू यू वांट टू वर्क इन सोशल मीडिया, तो एकदम से आपको रियलिटी में जाना है कि सर मैं तो स्टूडेंट हूँ, आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट, और इसके बारे में अभी तक सोचा नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर आप सेंटेंस यूज करोगे कि सर टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई हैवंट रियली थॉट अबाउट इट. I haven't
I haven't really thought about it.
I haven't really thought about it.
Okay, sir.
But yes, if अब यहाँ पर हम लोग यूज करेंगे इस तरीके का सेंटेंस. But yes, if I am given opportunity.
Okay, but yes, if I am getting
conditional है. If I am given opportunity to work in social media, I would immediately jump at it. क्या यूज करोगे?
I will immediately jump at it.
I would immediately jump at it का मतलब है कि मैं मौका छोड़ूंगी नहीं.
Okay, sir.
या फिर इसकी जगह पर आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं. I would not miss the boat.
Okay, I'll not miss the boat.
Miss the boat. ये idiom है. ठीक है? So we have to use idiomatic language. My last question, Manu, what's the most popular social media in India?
I guess that Instagram is the most popular social
अभी
media.
यहाँ पर देखो, जैसे मैंने क्लास में बताया था, तो आप यहाँ पर बोल सकते हैं कि सर डिपेंड करता है.
Okay, it depends person to person.
एज ग्रुप पे डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है, डिपेंड करता है. It varies from.
It varies from age group.
It varies from person to person.
Okay.
ठीक है, it varies from
person to person.
Some like dash या फिर some are into dash. Others are into dash. Whereas use करके कैसे
children are into Instagram, whereas elders are into WhatsApp.
WhatsApp or Facebook.
Okay, sir.
So that's all like what I know. Like this is, I guess, like quite popular social media in my country. So this is how Manu you can give answer in part one.